My name is Awesta. I'm studying in Boca Beauty Academy and I am studying nail technology. I chose here Boca Beauty Academy because it's close to my home, and also I would like to know the technology, how they enhance the nail, and also the chemical products they use, because as I become aware of while I'm studying, that a lot of options are to do not use the chemicals. They're more hazard to the health while we're using in our body. So it is a better way to learn how to enhance the nail without too much hazard. I am disabled. I had polio, and I walk with crutches, and I have a brace on my leg, and also it's a beautiful environment to enhance someone else's life while you have this. And I'm sitting in my work, and I do not have to walk so much, and that's a very nice uplifting work. I definitely recommend Boca Beauty Academy to everybody because one thing is, it's a beautiful environment, and we have the most beautiful and profound teachers here teaching us the newest technology, and I made a lot of good friends. It's just uplifting for the soul, body and mind, and just creating something which enhance our beauty is just wonderful for women.